Hey y'all, I just want to make a quick video on this smart deadbolt that I just got and installed that I absolutely love. It was very, very easy to install. Instructions were really clear. First thing obviously you have to do is take off your old or original deadbolt, get that out of the way, and then to install it you'll put the new deadbolt in and make sure that you secure that with the screws that are provided. Once that is in place, then you'll get your two pieces, the deadbolt and then the lock part, and you will they're already come attached, so you'll have to unattach them, unscrew the screws there, and then you'll put them back together, lining up the pieces and then making sure that you connect the wire pieces together. And then all you have to do, it has those two bolts, and you'll reattach those bolts, screw those in, and you're good to go. I love this because it's rechargeable. You don't have a battery for it. It's fingerprint activated, which is really cool. And then it also comes with an app. And so you can see right here, it has a fingerprint on top, and then you can turn it from the outside, which is so cool. It does also come with two keys, but it'll have your fingerprint right there, and you can open and close it from the outside. And like I said, it has an app, so you'll just scan this code, add your fingerprint, and you are good to go. This is amazing, and I would definitely recommend.